After spending the morning at Battery Spencer, we decided to head 25 minutes north to check out the region's most popular national monument.
Currently in search of Muir Woods. First place it took us was in the middle of some neighborhood, and it turned us into somebody's little housing unit. And there's a sign up here saying, like, yo, this is not Muir Woods, put this in your GPS. So I'm glad that actually gave us that sign.
Upon taking the sign's directions, we finally reached the entrance of the park around 1 p.m.
Alright, we have reached Muir Woods. Before you come, you do have to reserve your parking online. We were able to do that ahead of time and got the old Willie parked. Call it Free Willie. So yeah, start this journey.
While admission to the park is only $15 for adults, we opted to get the National Park Pass, which is renewable for $80 a year. With the pass, you can visit any national park or monument in the U.S. Muir Woods has been a federally protected monument since 1908. Upon entering the trailhead, we were immediately blown away by the imposing size of all the Old Coast Redwoods.
Here on the Canopy Trail, it's about 2 hours long, about a 3-mile hike. See a lot of beautiful greenery and all the redwoods along the way. And Northern California in general just seems to have amazing plant life from what we've seen so far.
After about an hour and a half of hiking, we reached the Fern Creek Trail, which is considered the last leg of the loop included in the Canopy View Trail.
You're officially a tree hugger. Man, these trees are so big. Just happy to get back down here to where it's cool. Seems like the higher up you go, the more you're in the sun. It's pretty hot, but down here, you're just right by this babbling brook and this creek of water.
Impressive isn't a big enough word to describe our hiking experience today. We saw trees bigger than some skyscrapers, and to think that most of them only exist in this part of California makes it that much more impressive.